In front of me is Realme GT and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and getting this app called OS 18 Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and tap on Continue. Then choose Continue again and tap on While using the app and Allow in all available pop-ups. After closing an ad, you can adjust all of those options or do it later. Then hit Set as Default and tap on iOS Launcher. As you can see, mine was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default launcher, you can always do that by going back to the same app. Tapping on Set as Default and clicking System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!